Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some wooden furniture and decoration ideas. Wooden furniture has been a staple in interior design for centuries. With its natural beauty, durability, and versatility, it is no surprise that wooden furniture remains popular today. Wooden home decor is an easy way to incorporate warmth and character of natural materials into your living space. From classic to modern, there are countless styles and ways to use wooden furniture and decorations in your home. One of the most popular type of wooden furniture is the timeless wooden bed. Wooden beds can add a touch of rustic charm to your bedroom or create a calming and natural atmosphere. There are many wooden bed frame styles available, from classic shaker style to modern platform beds. Other popular wooden bedroom furniture includes wooden dressers, nightstands, and wardrobes. Another way to incorporate wooden furniture into your home is with wooden dining tables and chairs. Wooden dining furniture is perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A natural wood dining set can add a country or rustic style to your home, while wooden dining chairs with upholstered seats and backs create a comfortable and stylish seating solution. In addition to wooden furniture, there are many wooden home decor ideas that can easily elevate any space. Wooden wall art, such as carved wooden plaques or wooden signs with inspirational phrases, can add interest into plain walls. Wooden picture frames can also be used to display family photos and artwork. Wooden shelves and bookcases can provide a functional and stylish way to store items and add warmth to your home. Wooden decorations can also be used in other living spaces throughout your home. A wooden bench or rocking chair can provide seating options in the living room or an entryway, while wooden planters and vases can add a natural and earthy touch to your decor. Wooden mirrors can also be an elegant and functional addition to a bathroom or a bedroom. When it comes to wooden decor, the possibilities are endless. Wooden coasters, serving bowls, and cutting boards in the kitchen can create a cohesive and welcoming style in a space that is often overlooked. Wooden accents in the bathroom, such as wooden soap dishes and toothbrush holders, can add a natural element to the often sterile space. One of the best things about wooden furniture and decorations is that they are highly customizable. Unfinished wooden furniture and decorations can easily be painted or stained to match your color scheme and personal style. You can also add embellishments such as stenciling, decoupage, or fabric accents to create a one-of-a-kind piece. Reclaimed or repurposed wooden furniture can also add a unique touch to your decor while being environmentally conscious. Aside from aesthetic appeal, wooden furniture and decor has many practical benefits. Wooden furniture is incredibly durable and long-lasting, making it a cost-effective investment. It is also relatively low maintenance, with a simple dusting or polishing required for every few weeks. Wooden furniture and accents can also be easily repaired or replaced if they become damaged over time. While wooden furniture and decorations offer many benefits, there are some downsides to consider. First, wooden furniture and decor can be quite heavy and difficult to move. It also requires a certain level of care to keep it looking its best, such as avoiding exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, and direct sunlight. When choosing wooden furniture and decor, it is important to consider the type of wood being used. Hardwoods such as oak, maple, and cherry are more durable and long-lasting than softwoods such as pine and cedar. You should also consider wood's grain pattern, as it can impact the overall look and feel of the piece. Wooden furniture and decor are timeless and versatile design elements that can elevate any living space. From classic to modern, there are many styles and ways to incorporate wooden furniture and decor into your home. Wooden furniture and decor are durable, low maintenance, and can be easily customized to match your personal style. When choosing wooden furniture and decor, consider the type of wood being used and the grain of pattern to ensure a higher quality and cohesive look in your home. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.